She's still on her way to come here. We are 10 children. I'm the 9th. And Emily is the number...
I'm number 6.
At Manong George is number... Oh, where are you? Ah, she went to pick up. So my name is Donna Duno in Kankanaoy, and Emily is Lingayon. Oh, you will meet the others later on, but we will go from this side.
Hello, nanigurot name ko at Bali. Si Mama at Duno matlang. Wen. Si Lula May Aligmay ay asawan ng si David ay Kapoy. Ito na inudik Kadjugan. Wen. Kasi ininudik ay di sito na asawa na Naoy. Wen. Ngam dato na gayda na nagbawan. May anak.
Adiw, basta wadang nadan.
Zuri, tapos si Satom. Satom, may titulot nila.
Yeah.
Awan sito na ng bakit ng si Naoy.
Yeah, actually, it's because of the family of Visa that we were able to gather in London, Ontario, and it's because of an occasion that was sad. It's the passing of the husband, so we were gathering. That's why before somebody goes, it's good for us to know one another, to support one another, to encourage one another, so that in times of need like that, we will be stronger in supporting them. But we are praying, hoping that nobody will ever go before their time. It's good also for us to be together now, so that we can pray for one another, and we can be there in times of need. That's why it was really a realization for us na, oh, we have family that is scattered around. So it's good to gather together, and thank you guys for coming. Let us build a stronger bond and solidarity, and we will expand. The more, the better. We will have a better support from each other. And next, Dexter.
Hello everyone. My name is Dexter Aliban Bago. Also from Naoy Duma clan. And this is my daughter, Luna Pay. Thank you. And
The family is
it's my family. My uncle Jerome, my aunt
Me, you forgot my
Esther Lugay,
and your cousins.
and my cousin.
So first cousin.
Come in front. Ada kayo, may laki. Oh, Pwede kayo mababayin tayo, dat ako lang.
Where's Sandra? You go there, bukain. Go there.
So this is my aunt Esther. And her daughter Sandra. Oh, welcome. And Uncle Wilson, husband of Auntie Esther. And to my left, the family of Uncle Jerome, First child,
Dra.
Feinberg. And the last child, Tyler.
Dra.
Wala pa nun isa ngayon makingalan si Francel. Yung mga Well, so that's it. Thank you.
Okay. To be continued. Emily.
Oh, I just gonna call my children.